Hey guys, we're at the meetup. Getting ready to head to Louisville to Dream Rides.
Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport my advantage. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
a fucking minute. I can't wait for you to knock me out in a minute, in a sec. I can't wait for you to shut me up.
Hey guys.
What's up?
So
I'm holding the camera. Late start this morning.
So we're on our own today.
Yeah.
Had a great time yesterday.
Yeah, it was awesome. Thanks for Matt, Mr. Little, and then Crackerjack, Mr. AA Ron, and then Remy, my twin brother. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us last night and having a few beers for y'all headed back. So that was awesome of you guys. Thank you so much.
Had some awesome karaoke. I love karaoke. Not. I'll put a little snippet in it. I didn't want to get copyright on the music.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's so good.
They were awesome. Not never. It's horrible. Anyway.
Today we're going to do what we like to do best. We're going to go hit some switchbacks and ride some rides.
Hell yeah.
Get some miles in.
Yeah, so we got a good, I don't even know. I mapped it all out, but I don't know the actual mileage. So it's going to take us about 4 hours to do this big loop. So
stay tuned.
Yeah, it should be cool.
Bye, guys.
Scenery. What's up? You see the awesome scenery behind us?
We're on the
cool.
Foothills Parkway.
I'm holding the camera again. This don't normally happen. Earthquake. Dad joke for the day. Earthquake. That was fun. Yeah, we're on the Foothills Parkway, having a good time. Yeah, screaming through these curves. So we stopped to take some pictures, and now we get to pass all the cars we just passed. So yeah, we're having a good time. A little overcast, a little chilly, but it's alright.
Having a good time.
Yep. Alrighty. We'll see you here in a bit.
haven't done this in a while.
Nope.
And I love it. I love nature. I mean, East Tennessee is freaking amazing. The roads.
Definitely badass.
So we took a wrong loop. We're on Cades Cove looking for bears and stuck in traffic for like 3 hours. So we're getting ready to make a left onto a gravel road to hijack out of here, and Sam hates gravel. Here we go. People, do not trust Google. Don't trust Google. What do you think about Google, babe?
Today, I'm not very happy with it. What up? Two Journey Junkies here. So we had a wonderful weekend, hanging out with friends. Had yeah, it was a good time. Good anniversary party for Dream Rides. Rode all around there, and the only time there wasn't a good time was the
Cades Cove.
Cades Cove, the one way in and one way out. And
Big sign that said 2-3 hour wait.
Mm-hmm.
Mention it to Sam.
3.5 hour
What are we
wait.
doing?
Yeah,
He still takes it.
I didn't think that it would go towards that park. I just thought it would I thought I was going around it. So
we sat in a
moral
one-way
of the story,
road
point of it is
for like 3 hours.
Listen to your two up. Listen to your girl.
Yes.
It would have saved us so much pissed offness. I was so mad. Anyway, yeah, hanging out with friends. Met a lot of we always say it, meet new people. And we did. We met a lot of cool people at the hotel. What's their names?
Drew and Cassie?
Yep. Drew and Cassie. It's awesome meeting you guys. So hopefully you hook up you guys there somewhere in Kentucky, or if you all come back here. So yeah, it was a good time.
So we're ready to do it again. Unfortunately, we have to work.
Yeah.
So.
But in a couple of weeks we have Traveling Tall's event, Run to the Hills. So we'll be back in the same area. So we'll be able to do more of what we were gonna do instead of getting locked in the park. So, yeah. Y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Hopefully you like our videos and you guys enjoy our journeys.
Yeah, appreciate y'all.